Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth problem setting in your Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you solve guys your Bluetooth problems. So when you connect an device guys it doesn't connect guys, and guys you have problem in your Bluetooth settings. So guys how can you solve it? So first of all guys open your phone setting to solve it. Then guys scroll it. Then guys you can see guys your system settings. So guys tap here. Then guys click on guys this backup and reset, and guys click on your back phone reset setting. Then guys you can see reset network, guys tap here. Then guys your Bluetooth problem will solve. So guys come back. So guys you can use guys your Bluetooth setting guys without any problem. After guys you have any problem in your Realme phone, and guys so guys don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you friends. So I hope friends have understood how to solve Bluetooth problem. That's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.